Bitcoin is moving downward, okay, and it can go up to 87 and $85,000. And I'm going to show you the reason why in this very video. And also Ethereum is going to come back down for a significant retracement. All of this in this video. Watch this very video all the way to the very end as I dive right into a hidden divergence that is on the chart right now that you need to pay attention to. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video right now. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Also turn on the bell notification for more videos like this one. If you look at the Bitcoin price chart, you discover that the market is coming all the way to the downside right now, and there is a possibility that this market can go down to $85,000 at this very point. And that is what I am paying attention to right now. If you look at the market after a breakout of this level of 71 and $72,000 at this very point, market begin to move sporadically all the way to the upside, and that was after Fed interest rate cut early this month. Market move all the way upward, and normally markets don't move all the way to the upside and move a palm tree. Okay, markets go up and then ease back to the downside, and that is what we have to expect right now, because market have capacity of coming back to the downside for a retracement, and market is going to move up again. And this is what we need to pay attention to. So if you look at this very chart, this is BTC USDT 1-day chart, and if you look at it, market has dropped all the way from $99,000 to where it is right now of $92,000. And the truth is, markets still have capacity of dropping all the way to the downside, and that is what I'll be talking about in a moment. So expect the market to still come back all the way to the downside, approaching the $87,000 and $85,000, because if you look at the chart right here, at this very point is an important level of support, and that is where I'm expecting the market to pause before continuation. Now, definitely this market is going to move all the way to the upside for a continuation, but a retracement is needed for that very continuation to happen in the market, and that is what you need to pay attention to. But there is something very important on the 4-hour chart. So if you go back down to the 4-hour chart, you discover there is a divergence on this very chart. So if you connect this very point, and I am using the MACD indicator for this very divergence. So if you connect this exact same point where market created a new high here to this very point right at this very area, and you connect exact same point on the indicator, so this very peak and this very peak right here, discover that this is a clear divergence, and this divergence have played out already, and there is a confirmation as well on the chart. So if you connect the support level, so from this point of support to this very area of support, and you draw this trend line out, you discover that this is creating a broadening wedge, and market breakout of this very level of important support, okay, which is a confirmation for this very divergence. So it means that the divergence have been confirmed, and the market have capacity of coming back to the downside. But before that movement is going to come in, what I'm personally expecting is for the market to move up a little bit for a retracement, and then continuation back down into the $87,000. You need to pay attention to this very level, because this level right here, market will be here the first time and then come here and retest the level again at this very point, and from here market begin to go all the way upward. It means if we see a move all the way to the downside from the BS, market is going to pause within this very zone as well, and that is why I am looking at 87 and $85,000 for this very retracement to pause before continuation to the upside. Remember, in the bull market, you don't expect aggressive retracement to the downside. That can happen, but that is not what you should be always expecting on your chart. Market will retrace gradually, maybe 30%, 40%, and 50% as the case may be, and then begin to move upward, especially on the Bitcoin price chart. And this is what you must have to pay attention to right now, guys. And this is very, very important to all of us that is on a short or long position on BTC. A divergence is on the 4-hour chart that you must have to pay attention to right now. And the next thing here is the Ethereum chart. The Ethereum chart is super important for all altcoins, because once you see Ethereum begin to dump aggressively, every other altcoin is going to dump with it as well. Look at it here on the chart. ETH/USDT one day from this very point, market is going to come back down. Why? Because if you look at the MACD indicator, there is a divergence as well. So this is a divergence because we have a little histogram formation forming the red one, and this very point indicate that the price pattern changed to a negative side, and then all of a sudden market move upward, create a new high that we see right at this point. What that means is a divergence has been created on this chart, and this divergence will make this market to go down, but we need to wait for a confirmation. So what I am looking at right now is this divergence. So market move here and this very point, okay? And then if you draw exact same points on the chart from this very area, on this very point on the indicator, exact same point on the chart, and then if you connect this point and this support, it is covered that market need to break this very level of support for this divergence to be confirmed. And once that breakout occur, just know that the market is going to come back all the way to the downside. And that is what I am expecting. Not an aggressive drop to the downside, but a significant retracement for all the impulse we've been seeing all this while. Market have to retrace and then move up again to the upside in the near future, maybe in the next coming days. And this is what I am expecting right now. So a breakout here will send the market into this very level of important support, that is $3,100 level, and this point of $3,000 or 2,900. Okay, within this zone, I'm expecting market to come back down before continuation all the way to the upside on the ETH/USDT one-day chart. The most important thing for us to confirm this divergence is, first and first, we need to see a breakout here. Once we see that breakout, then market is going to come back down. And also the next thing we want to see is a formation on the negative side of the MACD indicator. That is, the histogram should start forming on the negative side right here. Once that two parameters happen, then the divergence is confirmed, which means market have capacity of retracing before a continuation upward. So that is what you should be expecting right now, retracement on the chart, and pay attention to this on the one-day chart right now. This same divergence is also on the 4-hour chart. So it happened on the 4-hour chart and also on the one-day chart. Look at the 4-hour chart divergence right here, which is very, very clear. If you look at this point on the chart, market have been creating new highs. We have this high, we have this high right here, and this one at this very point, okay? All of this high, market creating new highs. But if you look at the indicator, which is a MACD indicator, the histogram to be very precise, it is covered that the market have been creating lows. And this is a clear divergence, which is a bearish divergence. So if you connect the same point, just like we did on the Bitcoin chart, from this point to this very area, and you connect exact same point on the indicator, it is covered that the market is sloping downward on the indicator, which is a clear divergence. So what it means is this divergence is going to make the market to go down, but we need to wait for market confirmation. So from this point, we draw a trend line to this very area, and you can see that this divergence is confirmed on the 4-hour chart, but it has not been confirmed on the one day, which is very important. So markets have capacity on the 4-hour chart of coming back down on Ethereum, and I'm expecting this market to come back down into this very point of support right at this point. Okay, so this point of support is very, very important. That's what we're seeing right now. That is the $3,100 level on Ethereum. Market should come back down before any move to the upside. This is what I'm personally looking at right now on Ethereum. So if you are trading ETH, market is going to come back down because of this divergence confirmation that is on the 4-hour chart. So for Bitcoin, market is going to come back to the downside to 87 and 85 $1,000 level. This is my own personal opinion. And also for Ethereum, we need a retracement all the way to the downside to $3,100 level, as the case may be. This is very important right now on the chart. Pay attention to this if you are trading these two coins. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. And if you're interested in airdrop, I have a video for you right here. Check it out. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto, check this video out as well. Thanks for watching.